Hey guys, Kory Ballard. This trailer contest has been brutal. We got it narrowed down to 3. We had Zoom calls with all 3 of those candidates yesterday. Really talked about their goals, their future, what they're doing in the community. We appreciate all the support. We had a ton of information and feedback on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We had letters and emails that came in supporting those great kids and guys in their community and what they're doing to help people out. So we appreciate that. We're going to show you some clips here from our Zoom calls yesterday. We're making a decision on Monday. This has been tough. It's really pulling on my heart. It's really tough to find the right person. Everybody's deserving, so we appreciate all the support through this process, guys. Check out these clips, and we'll get a winner picked Monday, and we'll be showing that to everybody. So take care. Have a great weekend. You're in the same spot when you shot your video.
Yeah, I'm in my home office.
I'm digging those shades. You got those what are those called?
Pit Vipers.
Oh, Vipers, that's what
I don't remember where, but I saw in some pictures somebody was wearing an Iowa Hawkeye shirt. And we were talking about it.
We're Hawk fans. We're better at you than at wrestling, not as good at football.
Spencer Lee, we all love him. We love watching him.
Dude, that kid's a freaking animal.
I mean, everyone that's entered, though, like even in the top 10 and the top 5, you guys really made it difficult on yourself. Everyone has their own life story, you know?
Of course, cancer, majority of everyone feels bad. And I didn't want to convey that at all in the video. Obviously, Ben's still working with me.
I told him to send it.
He's not a pity story. He's not sitting on the couch crying himself to sleep.
There's no point in that.
Yeah. And so I guarantee you someone who saw your video has cancer, right? It's just the percentage is bound. So let's say worst case scenario, that is a perfect story to say that, you know, you can get diagnosed with something that essentially says your life's ending before everybody else's. It doesn't have to, but you get a horrible life sentence per se. Go out and work. Go do something. Make something of yourself. You know, don't sit around. Don't pity everybody. We're not begging for a trailer or anything. I mean, like I said, we have something and it works right now. It's not ideal, but it does work. Just do something, you know, be proactive about it. And I guess, like I said, worst case scenario, we don't win. At least somebody saw the story.
But I just want to be that kind of stepping stone for some guys.
So are you hiring a lot of guys from the ranch?
I plan to. Yeah, I have one guy from there now, and Chris, who owned the company prior to this year, he hired me first, and then after me, he hired 2 more guys, and they've kind of gone their separate ways. We still, you know, meet every Friday morning and have like a Bible study. Nice. And I just appreciate you taking the time to do this, man. I mean, regardless of who you give it to, it seems like it's going to go to somebody that really needs it either way. So, I mean, I really do appreciate what you're doing for the community.
My community is super supportive. I appreciate everybody who threw out my name and everything. It's hard to believe that there's somebody who's more passionate about what they do. I tell everybody that, and I think my dad always says, you know, anybody can talk the talk, but can you walk the walk? And I think my work kind of backs that up. Everybody's video is really good. My entire family, we didn't have anything bad to say about any of the other 4 guys. They were one of a kind videos, and you know, everybody is deserving.